Paseo Pottery in Santa Fe is a working ceramic studio and showroom that offers classes for visitors and neighbors and sells handcrafted pottery by local artisans specializing in functional dinnerware and one-of-a-kind ceramic art pieces, with 100% of their net proceeds going to local nonprofits annually. Santa Fe is loaded with interactive experiences, with one of them being a hands-on class at Paseo Pottery. During the 2-hour class, guests are taught how to throw pots on a pottery wheel and given the opportunity to make 2 pieces. Our instructor demonstrated how to work the pottery wheel and craft a ceramic piece. It starts with a ball of clay. Water is added to give moisture in order to form the piece. A hole is needed to shape the vessel. It's time to create some structure and start forming the piece upwards. Once this is done, we trim the excess with a wire and pull the piece off the wheel. Our class enjoyed making their own unique pieces, not only once, but twice. Not everyone wants to throw 2 pots, so clay can be molded into different pieces, rolling out the clay almost as if making bread. Once the pottery is complete, the students take their art to the drying rack. Glazes are chosen and will be applied, fired in the kiln, and sent to the students upon completion.